الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Al-Quran, chapter 19, verse 26. فَكُلِي وَاشْرَبِي وَقَرِّي عَيْنًا فَإِمَّا تَرَيِنَّ مِنَ الْبَشَرِ أَحَدًا فَقُولِي إِنِّي نَذَرْتُ لِلرَّحْمَنِ صَوْمًا فَلَنْ أُكَلِّمَ الْيَوْمَ إِنْسِيًّا. So eat and drink and put your heart at ease. But if you see any of the people, say, I have vowed fast of silence to the most compassionate, so I am not talking to anyone today. Unquote. Ya Ali Madad, welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. What are different forms of Sawm, fasting, the fifth pillar of Islam? The Qur'anic word for fasting is Sawm, which means to refrain, to stop, or to abstain from. For example, in Arabic language, Samit rih means the wind has stopped, or Ma'soom is the one stopping bad words and actions, of which an example is fasting of Hazrat Maryam alayha salam, as quoted in the Qur'anic verse earlier. The traditional Indo-Pak Ginans, written by the great Pirs and Hujjats, are considered the gist of the Holy Quran. In one of the Ginans, Hazrat Pir Shams Sabzawari explained 10 types of esoteric fasting. Let's listen to a few verses from the Ginan.
मन समझाने की ऐसी बात रे भाई दुनिया जाने न जाने दाता रे भाई दस रोजा बातों ने कहीं ये रे भाई अवली रोजा सिर का करिए रे भाई दूजा रोजा चश्मे धारी रे भाई त्रीजा रोजा नाक नवारी रे भाई चौथा रोजा मुख को दीजे रे भाई पांचवा रोजा जबान का कीजे रे भाई.
The complete Ginan can be easily found on YouTube. That is wisdom for today. Love each other. Let's learn together.